I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am making some shredded chicken. This is going to be a really easy, super fast video. Basically I'm just taking 5 chicken breasts here. It was about 4.5 pounds of chicken, and I gave them a quick rinse, and then I filled up the pot with some filtered water, just enough to cover all of the chicken breasts. And then I'm just gonna cook them on the stove. So I bring it up to a boil. So once it's boiling, I do put in 1/4 of a cup of garlic powder, and I do 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon as well. Then I give it a quick stir just to get all the spices in there, and then I cover it up and I leave it on the stove at a low temperature, and I leave it for a full hour. After the hour is done, you just come over to the chicken, uncover it, give it a little squeeze with your tongs, move it around. If it pulls apart easily, then you know it's done. But yeah, super easy. I leave it kind of like a neutral taste like that, just some garlic and some chicken bouillon. And that's just because I use this for everything. I use this for quesadillas. If you see my taquitos video, I use them to make taquitos. If you've seen my chimichangas video, you saw me use it there. I use this for pasta salads, for all kinds of stuff. So I leave it pretty neutral, and I usually add either salsa or I'll season it when I'll put some butter on it, season it on the stove, and I just use this for so many different things. Usually what I do is I put half of it in one bag and I freeze it, and then I put the other half in a bag and I put it into the fridge, and that's what we eat for the whole week. But we're getting kind of tired of chicken lately, so I'm doing it into 4 bags just to make the portions a little smaller. So I left 1 bag in on the fridge, and then I put 3 bags into the freezer. And then when I bag them up, or if I'm putting them in containers, I do like to pour in a little bit of the broth, like the liquid that it was cooked in, just to keep it from drying out, and so it still has a good flavor. I just do like 2 little ladles. If you put them in the freezer, they can last up to like 4 months. I never ever keep them there for 4 months, but yeah, you can keep them there for up to 4 months. This is how it turned out. Like I said, I use this for everything. I even make tamales with this chicken. It's just a very simple chicken, like shredded chicken recipe, and then you can season it during the week when you use it. But I hope you guys like this super easy, super quick video today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notifications on so you can see every time I post a new video. And yeah, thanks for watching.